Zoey!
Oh, hey! Now get out of my property!
Your property? No way I'm gonna let that happen!
Let go!
Whoa! What's happening?
Take cover!
Ah!
Oh no! Ah!
Hold on! Where are we?
Phew! The storm is over. Whoa, look!
Oh man, that's a tragedy.
Our homes are gone.
We can help!
Together we're glowing. Gonna be silver.
Gonna be golden!
Wow! This is magic!
We're going up, up, up! The song is working!
Let's continue singing!
It's our moment!
Ha! We're changing too!
I love our new look!
Wow! Will those be our new houses?
The shiny roofs are everything!
They're giving luxury! So exciting!
Couldn't agree more!
Yay!
Snack break!
Mmm!
Mmm!
So squishy and yummy! Aha! I can work with this!
Then let's work together! Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I sure do! Guess what this is?
A railroad!
Round and round it goes! Choo-choo!
Wow! Now we need a train! Here it comes! So punctual!
Yay! But how do I come down?
I'll fix that. You're going down, down, down. See? Here are your stairs.
Wow, you have some powerful vocals.
My turn! Take down, 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 down! Huntrix girls to the world! Take down! Come on, let's not miss our train!
Meet you at the station. Hang on, your carriages await. Silver for RUMI, gold for Zoey.
Go girls, take the train, and let the fun begin!
Okay, this is just like going to the carnival.
Woohoo!
Careful, don't fall.
Yay!
I love this ride!
Faster, faster.
Next stop, Adventureland!
This is way better than walking.
We're on the express train to fun!
Aw, so happy to see you happy. But now, the house renovation needs to continue. I know what to fill that empty space with. Not this. Nope. Maybe? Nah. Aha! That's perfect! Who wouldn't want ice cream all year round? I'm designing a sweet living room. Literally. Haha! Nobody will ever get hungry in here. Welcome to the Candy Yum Yum Lounge. Check it out.
Wow, so cool! This is like my dream room. You know I'll never say no to a snack. Yum! My favorite flavor!
Wow!
Huh?
Why did it suddenly get so hot in here? Phew! I'm feeling it too. Give me 1 sec. We can't have all that sweating. You need an indoor pool. I'm building the ultimate relaxation spot for you. Let's make a splash. Haha! This room will be giving vacation vibes. The cobblestones add so much character. You can't relax on an empty stomach. Now this feels like a tropical getaway. So, come on, enjoy it! Wow! You made this just for me? You're the best! Pool party time! I want to spend all day here.
Oh, I think I'm ready for a real meal.
Oops, my bad. I should have thought of that. Let's build the heart of the house. I want this kitchen to feel warm and inviting. But it's also gonna look modern and stylish. All thanks to the silver shades. Something to read while the food is cooking. The final details are in place.
Wow, this kitchen makes me want to bake something.
Bon appetit!
Yum! No biggie. This is only the most delicious cupcake ever.
I'm gonna show you how it's done! Aw! Amazing voice, girly pop. And that reminds me. You need a music room to practice. This will be the place where all the hits are made. Need to place every instrument you might need. Only then it will feel like a real music studio. Walking on gold? Don't mind if I do. Superstar worthy. Ha! I can already hear the music I'll compose in this room. I feel so inspired. Time to do some improv singing. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, I'm vibing to the melody.
Same! Loving this tune. Aw, someone's sleepy. This means it's time to decorate a bedroom. Top floor it is. This will be the coziest room in the house. It needs to feel like a warm hug, but it also needs to be K-pop star worthy. Only the best product for her. These curtains shine like stage lights. And this corner will be where the glam happens. The floor is ready for a runway walk. Obviously, music deserves a place on display. Psst, you can continue your beauty sleep in your comfy bed.
Wow, this room is so cozy and glamorous at the same time. I can't wait to curl up in that bed. This is every fashion lover's dream. Strike a pose. Vogue. Feeling fabulous. Serving looks. Owning the runway.
Yes, queen!
Wow, amazing! My turn! I'm aiming for iconic. Time to sprinkle some star power around here. Every corner of this room will be Instagram worthy. 'Cause ordinary, that's not in my dictionary. Luxury unlocked. Something's missing. Ha! There! Stars! I'm bringing the night sky indoors! Also, now it truly feels like a celebrity suite. Check your new bedroom out.
Wow! RUMI! Come! Look! We can have the best sleepovers in here.
I'm loving this for you girls.
How fun!
We're real fashionistas. Let's feast.
Dig in!
So good.
Glad you're enjoying everything.
Yeah! Come, RUMI! Let's write some new songs for our fans!
This beat is sick.
Let the music flow!
Perfect harmony. Last one in is a rotten egg. Splash!
Haha! Now this is living!
Vacation mode activated. My most delicious room.
Can I try everything?
Such a fun place to hang out.
We did it!
Yeah! We nailed this renovation!
Team forever!
Oh! Looks like the fans are waiting for their favorite K-pop singers. Aha!
This place looks kinda cheap. Stop complaining. Let's see what's inside.
Hey, wait! I want to look too!
Whoa, dollhouses! So cool.
I think it's obvious who gets the gold house.
Hi! Hello, girl.
Greetings.
But what do we do? Oh, you made a list? Let's see. Looks like a lot of work.
Yes, I need a beautiful house.
Guess I should check the list, too. Okay, got it. All right, let's start with the roof. But what should I use? Huh? Whoa, where did this come from?
Don't worry, I'll help.
Wow, that looks amazing! Great job.
Phew, I'm tired.
Not bad.
Time to get to work, too.
Oh no.
Hey,
What?
you've got something.
Where?
Here, let me show you. There's a gold coin behind your ear.
Where did that come from? Give it! I know how to use it. These coins are perfect for my roof. Oh yeah. How do you like the gold tiles?
Wow, it looks amazing.
All right, now let's do the windows and walls. Servant!
At your service, miss.
I need to decorate the walls.
Got it. This should help.
All right, let's see. A camera? Wait, how I...
Oh, looks like it's photo time. Smile.
Let's take some selfies.
Ugh, I can't see anything.
Nice. Photos are ready. Oh, I look great in this one. I'll hang this on the wall. And add a few more, like this. Nice, but something's missing. I think I've got an idea. These chains will help. First, lay them out like this. Add glue to the gold rod. Stick the chains on, and done. These will be the coolest curtains ever. Let's hang them on all the windows. Oh yeah, real gold style.
Wow, you're the best.
Thanks. Cool. My turn now. Nope, not that. Oh yeah, this'll work. Nice. Let's start. First, unroll this and cut a piece. Now fold it like this. Into a fan shape. Clip one side. Add a straw. Open it up. And done. Now, hang one here. And another here. Looks great, right?
Totally agree.
All right, what's next? Living room. Okay. Give me a sec. Hello?
Yay!
Thanks. Order placed. Now, let's grab a drink.
Cheers, girl.
Oh no, I spilled on the carpet. Oh,
I've got your order, miss.
finally. Let's see. Whoa, so pretty. Let's put this sofa here. Add a throne and this little dog. So pretty, right?
Amazing.
Oh, right. I need to clean this carpet.
What? I'm a delivery guy, not a cleaner.
You sure? I can pay well.
On second thought, I can help with that. All done. Thanks.
Hey, stop throwing stuff! Wait, I've got an idea. First, wrap this sponge like this. Then use these blocks to build a sofa. Like that. Nice. Let's add a few more pieces to make it bigger. This looks cool, right?
Oh yeah, super comfy.
Not a bad. Huh? She ruined her outfit for that? Ugh, it's so hot. The bedroom is next.
I'm hot too.
What happened to the temperature? Why is it so high? Uh-oh. Ugh, it's not working. Hey, where's my doll?
Here, cooling off.
Where did you get ice cream?
They're selling it over there.
Fresh ice cream here.
Whoa, nice! Can I get one?
Here you go.
Awesome, yummy. Finally got it. Ugh, it melted. Wait, I have an idea. First, stack the sticks together. Now, glue one across. Let's build a frame like this and paint it silver. Add a few more sticks here. Put a mattress, and bed's done. Add a blanket and a clothes rack. Hang some outfits. And add a mirror. How's the bedroom?
You outdid yourself.
You haven't seen ours yet. All right, let's see. This design should work. Well, am I right?
More than ever.
All right, only the yard left. Servant.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know what yard to make.
Okay, let's choose. How about this one?
Nope.
This?
No.
What about this?
Oh, yes.
I like it too.
No problem. Hello, I need a delivery of gold stones. Here's your order, miss.
What? That's not fair.
Hey, whoa, what's happening?
First, we split our areas. You can build your path on your side. Whatever. I'll start with this stone and add the rest. Watch how it's done. Now it's perfect.
Wow, okay. I'm done too. Now let's put this fountain in the center.
Just need some sparkles.
No, we're using gold ones.
Silver is better.
No way.
Wow.
Awesome.
Nice.
Yay!
Not so fast. We need a fence.
Like this.
Private property.
Looks like I'll need to use the sticks again. Oh, yeah, perfect. First, let's place 2. Add some across and keep building. Nice! Now paint it silver and set it up. There, our house is done.
We're done too. Haha. Finally finished the list. Like it?
Oh no, what's happening? Whee!